Hello my friends and welcome back to another review. Today we are taking a look over the Lumopal. This is a portable power station and we're going to show you guys everything you get in the box, and then we're definitely going to test it out for my friends. Let's go ahead and open it up. Do a nice full unboxing. That way you guys are prepared what you get. Sometimes it's hard to tell by a listing what comes inside. Okay, my friends, first off, let's go over some specs for you guys. Input, maximum 140 watts. PV, maximum 150 watts. Car, 100.8 watts. Type C, 100 watts. Output, so this is how much watts you can use for output. For the AC port, which is going to be like your standard plugs, your 2-prong, 3-prong ports, you can do a maximum of 850 watts and a peak of 1000. USB each port 15 watts. Type C max 100 watts. DC 126 watts, and same with the car. This power bank capacity is 600Wh is the capacity, it says. Okay. Let's go ahead and show you guys the features here. Well, that didn't work. You're supposed to peel this green piece off and then a film comes off of the screen. All right, there we go. Okay. You have DC, PV, 12 volts. So yeah, you got your DC, 12 volts. You have your 12.6 volt, 10 amps out. There's quite a bit here to go over. 1, 2, 3 USB ports, 1 Type C, 2-prong outlet, a 3-prong AC outlet. On the top here, you have DC, USB, AC, and LED. Okay, so here you can see you have a huge light. If you press and hold a button, so that's pressing and holding the LED button, it lights up and we can see. Hopefully you guys can tell there with all the LEDs on. Press and hold to turn it off. Nice carrying handle. Anti-skid feet pads. So on the top here, you want to press and hold. So if you're going to use USB, press and hold the USB, and then it will light up and it will say USB. Press and hold to turn that off. If you want to use the AC ports, press and hold the AC button on the top, and then it will say, it shows you your battery level. It says output watts, time until empty. You can also, let's see, you can use other buttons as well. So you can use the AC, the DC, the LED at the same time, the DC, so USB. You can use all that at the same time if you want. It does look like the screen takes away from your power, obviously. Let's go ahead and test this out. So this is what it's going to look like. Now, this is our power system that's connected to our solar panel. And this, so solar's charging this power bank. And this power bank's now charging the one that we are reviewing. And you can kind of see here, it tells you charging. It says time till full, 2.8 hours. So 2 hours, basically 3 hours. It says how much watts are being used to charge it, 143. And it says the percentage. So it goes over all your different things. This is great to take camping, off-grid, survival, or if you want to have something that the power ever goes out.